so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat.
Hi there. So I want to start by apologizing because I should have made this video earlier, and the reason being that the Zeb Sound Bomb 3 TWS earphones from Zebronics were launched for just 699 rupees. But now the price is 999 rupees. Now the reason I'm making this video now, that even though they're priced at 999, I think these are one of the easiest to recommend budget Bluetooth earphones. The first thing that got my attention is the size. Oh my god, the case is so small. It's a perfect square, measuring 1.73 inch in height and length. So here's my iPhone just next to the earbuds for reference. Damn, that's really small. Now it's got a flat bottom, so it can be placed straight on the table, unlike so many other TWS earphones that keep rolling over. It weighs 33 grams and you can easily slip it into your pocket. The design is simple yet unique. The line embossed texture provides the needed grip to hold them, and at the same time feels really good in the hand. The Zebronic logo in bold on the front with 4 LED lights at the bottom which show how much charge the case holds. A USB-C port at the bottom. Also, the cable included in the packaging is a nice bright yellow and blue. Candy colors everywhere, clearly targeted for the youth. Now talking about packaging, I would like to take a minute here to appreciate how Zebronics has removed the unnecessary paperwork and replaced it with a small card that has a QR code that you simply scan and get all the info directly on your phone. It provides the specs, it provides the user guide, it provides all the details you want. Not only is this eco-friendly, but also much more convenient. Open the lid with one hand, very convenient and easy. The hinge is really strong and sturdy. Then inside you see the earphones. Check these out. These two are so tiny. What's surprising is that these come with 13mm drivers. The earphone design is very similar to the original Apple AirPods. Of course, the stem is a lot smaller. So these basically sit in your ear cavity and don't go inside like a buds design. Now personally, I'm a fan of this design, and the reason being that you can hear the ambient sound knowing your environment, and frankly this design, somehow I feel that it's more comfortable to wear for long hours compared to the buds design. They're very comfortable and I can barely feel that I'm wearing anything. Now the controls of these earphones are at the bottom stem. You see this flat design. This is where you tap or squeeze to control. You can pause play, you can change tracks, or even trigger the voice assistant. Now the problem I faced is, since the stem is so small, you accidentally press the controls, because where else will you hold them from? But then you adapt and soon learn. It's not a big deal, but still worth mentioning. Now coming to the sound quality. Okay, so these won't blow you away, but they will still surprise you. The audio is very open and feels like listening to some live music. Excellent instrument separation, and it actually mimics a rock concert effect. I know that's too much to say, but it really feels so bright and open. It gets very loud at maximum volume, so I'm sure no one is going to complain about that. But the bass is decent. It's not very deep, but enough for the audio to sound fuller and funkier. The only con could be audio bleed, since the earphones don't completely seal in. However, that's if you're listening to them too loud in an indoor environment. Overall, the sound experience from these are way beyond the price. That's why I said in the beginning, even at 999, it's a great buy. Now since the earbuds and case are so small, the battery life is a little compromised. 3 hours at 50% volume, which I think is pretty good. But the problem is that most of us listen at higher volume, and then those numbers don't stand up. In total, we get about 12 hours of music playback with the case. Now for me, I think that is pretty satisfactory. Then I also use them for phone calls, and I'd say they were about okay. They were not great, but decent. You can use them, but probably it won't provide the best experience. Now you can also use these for gaming or to watch movies. The lip sync on watching movies will be fine, but I won't advise you wear these for gaming. Alright, my final thoughts. Well, actually there's really nothing left to say. For 999 rupees, these colorful candy TWS earphones are really good. They sound good, they look good, they feel good, and they don't burn a hole in your pocket. It's available in multiple colors, as you can see, including black and white. I'll leave the links for all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!